Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can add the 20, the 50, and the 200 moving average in MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader, then go to Insert, Indicator, Trend, and click on Moving Average. Now we have here period, type 20. We have here method simple, keep it on that, and you can change the color from here. So I will choose, for example, this color. We have here the width of the line, so I will choose this one and click on OK. So this one is our 20 moving average. Now let's add 50. Click on Insert, Indicator, Trend, and Moving Average. Here in period, type 50. Change the color, and I will choose, for example, this one and click on OK. So this is our 50 moving average. The same thing with 200, indicator, insert indicator, trend, moving average, and here type 200. Keep it on simple. Change here the color. So I will choose, for example, yellow. And for the width, I will make it a little bit bigger. So let's choose, for example, this one and click on OK. So this one is the 200. As you can see, moving average 200. This one is our 50 moving average, and this one is our 20 moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.